So today on the workbench, we just have a really quick unboxing of something that I think everyone should add to their toolbox. I've seen a bunch of reviews of this and I was really excited about it, so I wanted to check it out for myself. And it's something that I wanted to buy to help me assemble the Tamiya TTO2 kit that we just purchased. You can see in the back up there. So I picked up an official Tamiya ratcheting screwdriver. It's a little expensive, but I have heard really great things about this, and I know in the Tamiya kits there are a lot of Phillips head screws, and it can be quite a lot to put those self-tapping screws into the plastic, having built a few over the years. So I thought, you know, it was time to maybe step up my game and pick up this Tamiya ratcheting screwdriver. So I picked this guy up. It comes with one driver, but my understanding is that it also fits drivers of different sizes, of which I have a few on the workbench. So why don't we check out this screwdriver and see how what other bits fit in it, and you know, how it performs. Okay, so it comes sealed in this plastic. There's just a couple of staples holding it in. So let's take these staples out here, and it should slide right out. I know that the quality of the tools that Tamiya makes is quite excellent, so I do have pretty high expectations for this tool. I will tell you, it feels quite heavy, so it feels very sturdy. Slide him right out. There you go, you've got the plastic. Explains all the different stuff, the bit diameter, all the different things. It's got a really good heft to it. Slides right in. It looks like there's 3 different settings. There's a bit lock, then there's loosening, and then there's tightening. So you can pull this guy right back out. So now he's in. Hold quick rotation grip firmly and push bit in fully. You've got the direction switch. The included bit can be used at electric screwdrivers. Quick rotation grip firmly, insert bit fully. Never hold shank when inserting a new bit. There's a risk of this. So I mean, that's about it. So when it's in the middle, it's just a regular screwdriver. It looks like when you turn it here, you've got your ratcheting action. When you flip it over here, it ratchets the other way. And again, in the middle, it is just a regular screwdriver. Now my question is, how exactly does the bit come out? That I'm not sure. Pull, you can push it in and it comes out some of the way. I'm not sure exactly how it comes out. Using the tab on the handle, use a fingertip actuated quick rotation grip for speedy work on looser screws. It includes a precision bit, gentle on screw heads. So it's in there, but I am honestly not at all sure how it comes out once it's been put in. So that's a little odd. There doesn't seem to be a switch. Some things have the ability to pull or push. Yeah, that's doesn't turn. Let's see if maybe we flip the switch here. That just turns as we saw. That's there. But the bit, maybe the bit goes in, the bit doesn't turn. Okay, the bit does not want to come out. So, shorter bits may become stuck in the screwdriver. Shortages included. There is absolutely nothing in here about how to take it out once you put it in. So, all right, I still like it. I'm excited to have it, but it appears that it is just, unless I can figure it out, it's always going to have this bit in it with no ability to remove it. So that is my explanation of the Tamiya Ratcheting Screwdriver Pro. So apparently I'm an idiot, and it just comes right out. It didn't come out before. So now it's in there. Now it's locked in place. You just pull and it comes out. So before, I can swear it was locked beyond a doubt.
And I don't know what I did. Maybe I broke it, but now it seems to be working fine.
You can ratchet this way, ratchet that way. In the middle, it's a regular screwdriver.
This bit is locked, but then you could just pull it right out. So,
problem solved. Not sure why I couldn't get it out before, but just wanted to show you that apparently I am a moron when it comes to tools.
and the Tamiya ratcheting screwdriver is very easy to insert the bit, have it lock into place, and then just pull
and have it come out. So thanks again for watching.
Please subscribe and like these videos.